So what equipment do you need to get started on YouTube? We're going to talk about it. But first, thank you for coming back to my channel. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed. Give me your thumbs up. Leave me your comments. Leave me your questions. If you ask questions, I will answer them on the next video. Okay, today we're going to talk about the equipment that you need to start on YouTube. But first, I got a couple of things I want to tell you about. Please check out my book. It's in the link. I've got 2 new books out. I've got another one coming out, probably be about another week before I'm done with it. Okay, the course. I am building a course that will take you step by step on creating your own ebook and your own ebook publishing business. Y'all, in this course today, I've done a module for it. And the module is taking you step by step of making your book cover. Well, the book cover that I made for the module turned out so good, I got to write the book. I wasn't planning on writing that book. I was just going to use the cover for the training purposes, but I'm going to still use it for the training purposes, but now I've got to write the book. So if y'all get the course and you see that book cover, don't use that book cover. Just follow the instructions. Okay, the equipment that you need to get started on YouTube. Y'all, you're going to see a lot of videos from a lot of different YouTubers on this same subject. It's a very popular subject for YouTubers. They're going to tell you all the expensive cameras that you need to make a more cinematic video and be a better video for the viewer. They're going to tell you about the microphone that you're going to need. They're going to tell you about the big lighting systems that you need. Y'all, when you get into YouTube, when you start making big money, yeah, you're going to want that stuff. But it's just that. It's going to be stuff that you want. You don't need, and you don't ever need it. You just want it. Y'all, if people want cinematic, they need to go to Hollywood. This is YouTube. You can take your thumb and cover up your camera lens completely. It does nothing for the information that you're putting out. As long as the person can hear your voice, you're still giving them the same information. Sorry, I almost sneezed there. As you see, I've got the camera. I've got the microphone. I don't use them. I'd rather keep it simple. The stuff that I use, y'all, I've been on YouTube 12 years, maybe. And I'd rather keep it simple. Could I have a better video quality? Yes. Could I have better sound? Yes. Could I have better lighting? Yeah. Right now on my desk, I got 2 desk lamps. When I make a video, I take the shade off of it. That's what I have. Do I have the stuff that I need? Yes, but I'd rather keep it simple. On my laptop, there is a computer. There is a microphone in that laptop. There is a camera in that laptop. That is all I use. Could I have better lighting? Yeah, I could move to a window, or I could buy the expensive lighting kit. It does nothing for the information that I'm putting out. Yo, I'm not about the flash and the glam. Look at me, I'm an old fat man. Nothing I do is going to make my videos any prettier, so I have to rely on my information. You don't need all that expensive equipment. The only thing you really need is the camera that comes on your computer and the microphone that comes on your computer and a couple of desk lamps. That's all you need. Hang on just a second. I'm sorry. Y'all, I'm sorry, but the doctor said my mouth and throat will always be dry, even though I'm completely healed. But, yeah, that's all you need is the stuff that comes already preloaded into your computer. You don't need to spend all that money. Down the road, like I said, you may want to, but that's all it is you want to. You don't have to. Also, creating your digital products. What equipment do you use? The only thing I use is Paint. It comes preloaded in my computer. Then for my interior of my books, I use Microsoft Word, which comes preloaded in your computer. Y'all, when I tell people of all the businesses that I've had and the 3 that I have right now and how much money I spend on those businesses, they are shocked of the money that I make from those businesses. I have never put money into my businesses. Every business I've started online has been 100% completely free, with the exception of Weyburn Self-Defense, where I sell my stun guns. I do have to buy those products to sell, but when I first started, I didn't buy those products. I used drop shipping, so I didn't need money to get started on that either. Now I choose to put money into it, so I will have my own stock so I can ship it out faster. Y'all, there's no room in this business for excuses. If you don't like where your life is today, but you don't do anything about it, that means you're choosing to accept your life the way it is. You have to change it. You have to build for your future. Nobody can do it for you. In my course that I'm building, I will teach you how to create ebooks and your own platform to sell your ebooks. Once you're through with that course, it's only 6 modules long. It's not going to be long. You're going to do it at your own pace. But once you're done with that course, you will have your own ebooks making money for you every day. The level of success that you have is dependent on the level of input that you've put into your business. So I can't promise you you're going to make 6 figures a year. I can't promise you that. Only you can make that promise to yourself. Y'all, that course should be ready for sale around the 1st of October. And it's going to be very low priced. I had a lot of freebies that I put into it yesterday, but I found some more stuff in my file folders that I need to put into it. It's going to be chock full of freebies. Y'all won't be disappointed with this course. I did a course several years ago, and I didn't even like it, so I never released it. This course, I'm very proud of it so far, and I'm not quite half finished with it yet, but I am very proud of it already. It's not going to be $1,000 like most people's courses. This course is going to be like $35, and the freebies that you get with it, the value of those freebies, far outweigh that $35. It's a no-brainer. Y'all, don't use the excuse that you don't have money to build your business. Don't use the excuse that you don't have the equipment to start a YouTube channel. I'm living proof. All I got is what's on my computer. I do have a smartphone that's got a very good camera, but I choose not to use it. But if you don't even have a computer, but you got a smartphone, that's all you need. Y'all, until the next video, I hope you like this. I hope I'm a help to you. Please leave your questions below and let me know if I'm helping you. I hope I am. God bless you all. I make these videos every day. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments, leave your questions, and leave me your thumbs up. I love you all. Until tomorrow, ciao.